Come to the BIS. You switch it on. It should be on. When it's off, and it's off. That is it's on now. Then shut the doors. Then come to the control switches. It should be at their start position. Then come to the control switches. The fuel pump should be on. The ignition should be on. The local control should be on. And the rest remain at that. Okay, it should be on. Now we're going outside to start the fuel. We're going outside. We go. Okay, now here we are at the fuel pump. This is the engine. You want to start it. Okay, you see that is the locomotive. You want to start the engine. Start by pumping. It's pumping now. Wait for it to pump for 30 seconds or so. Now after 30 seconds are over, you have to pump. You prime. This is the engine start. This is the start. Press start. Now starting.